Greetings. Have you ever imagined a world where competition, differences, disparities, level of intellect, and capabilities are based on pure merit and talent? Riya Kumar, advocates a world just like that, which harmonizes the idea of breaking the glass ceiling of discrimination, inequality, favorism, and stereotypes against women at home and workplace. It is really inspiring to see women revolutionizing motherhood, business, advocacy, academics, sports, space, fashion, and many other industries. However, it is a miserable sight to observe talented and smart women struggling to showcase their true value and merit due to friction created by various societal biases. This International Women's Day, I congratulate the womanhood and pledge to promote equality and to break the bias.